In this video, we will share top tips how organizations can protect information security as well as privacy. If you would ask your employees, when was the last time you patched your router? Most likely, they would not even know what you are asking about. So it's very, very important that we raise the awareness of people knowing how to protect their home networks. When it comes to privacy, organizations really need to review their current practice. In the past, organizations were concerned about protecting health records of their employees, which was part of the standard HR process. But now, people coming back to work may need to be tested for COVID-19. How are those test records protected? Are they being shared with fellow colleagues? These are all questions organizations need to consider. Not all organizations will come back to work at the same time. It will be staggered, and therefore some of your suppliers might be not available to supply the required components in the right quantities. There might be also delays in supply chain shipments, and all these kind of aspects need to be considered by the organization and need to be part of the organization's risk assessment. Organizations need also to consider how to streamline the onboarding of new or alternative suppliers. This also means that the process of parts approval needs to be streamlined and needs to be considered to be more agile.